Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is Wrector. So just to summarize what happened from the previous video, I did tell you that we'll be looking for long positions because Bitcoin has almost found its bottom when it was trading around 35,500. I also told you that if you are going to buy Bitcoin, you'll have to look into dollar cost averaging until you place a buy order on the range of 30, on the range of the green support. And so what happened was Bitcoin did drop. Uh, there was a lot of buying orders placed below 33,000 to be picked up, but then most of it did not get picked. The ones were on the support were very strong ones, so we instantly had a pump. So from this area, we did have a, what you call a 13%, close to 13% increase on spot, right? So if you if you had followed me on my Telegram channel, so this is what I told you. At the time of the signal, BTC down was almost reaching its resistance. It was. I also told that there would be a 30% chance for it to break above, which will be a decrease in the other coins, and a 70% chance to drop, which would increase. So I also told you most likely this gap has been fulfilled, and we are on our support. We'll be heading upwards, and then probably we longed BTC for the second time with during the day with two limit buy orders. One of the buy orders got picked, and then we made a maximum of 13,000. I mean, 100. Sorry, 1,300% on 125x. So if you had long this with 20x, most likely would have had close to 110%. Right. So let's get back into the analysis. So what do I see on Bitcoin right now? Let's see what our indicators tells us. Let's remove this, not necessary. Let's see. So if you look through the indicators, we have maybe we had a MACD cross 2 days ago. The RSI is trading. We had it hit the 50, the mid levels, and then it's still below 50. So we're looking for sell signs. Uh, the Bollinger Band strategy has not given us a buy signal, and I don't think it will give us on the forward to have a what you call a long-term bull market. Uh, we have presently we broke above the 20-day moving average and we closed below. We are being resisted by it. We are trading below all three kinds of moving average: the 20, the 50, and the 200. So if you go into a smaller time frame to see what's immediately going on, so you could spot a falling wedge over here. Sorry, a rising wedge over here. Uh, so although this is a what you call a buy signal, we do have a MACD crossed a MACD line on the buy signal. We previously had this sell on the Bollinger Band strategy. I don't think this will be showing us a buy signal. Most likely, if it do, I don't think we'll be passing 38,000 range at this rate because for Bitcoin to be suddenly pumped up 12% is not healthy. It needs a little bit of a retracement, right? So the RSI is at 49, so it's still on the sell side. So if you look at BTC dumb right now, right? So we do have the falling wedge. We also do have a sort of cup and handle forming up. So most likely this one, right? So if you look through the indicators, we are recently trading above the 20-day moving average, the 200 moving average. The MACD will looking uh, looking at this, I could tell that most likely the RSI will be over the 50 zone within the next 4 hours. The MACD will be crossed upwards. We'll most likely be having a buy signal on the Bollinger Band strategy. Uh, this is because although although Bitcoin is into bullish sign, I don't think there would be any interested investors to push this up further. People will be looking at to take profit over here. I think 10% is more than enough. So most likely we'll be having a retracement to 34,800 to 33,800, somewhere around there, and then we might bounce back. But then it could also change because 20 hours from now, sorry, 12 hours from now, there is also the Fed's meeting. So if there are any taxations to be imposed on stocks and crypto, most likely we'll be looking to close at 32,000, 30,000 range. That is if, right? So you'll have to look at the news. I will post the update on the channel, so you could follow me there. So since I do my analysis on most of the short time frames, I do keep continuously updating it on my channel. So if you join the channel, you could have a proper update on everything, right? So let's also look into Ethereum, Bitcoin. Probably we are still on the 4 hours. Let's go to 1 hour. Most likely we will be going into a sell on the 1 hour. Let's go to the very immediate position. Yeah, I believe I believe people who bought Ethereum and Bitcoin will start to take their profits. So this will most likely drop below. So what do I think about Bitcoin at this very stage, right? So most likely, if where is my curve? Sorry, where is my path? Shit. Okay, sorry about that. I'm sick, guys, so you could hear it from my voice. Uh, so if people are to pump from this breakout, which is most unlikely, this would be its maximum range to 38,000, and then we might have a sell off back to, sorry, a sell off back to we might have a sell off back to the 34,000 range uh, by 12 hours during, yeah, 12 hours later. If the crypto news is bearish, we will be most likely having a dip to 30,000 range, right? So that would be my prediction for now. You'll have to be careful if you want to invest on Bitcoin any further during this time. It's better to trade safe, right? I'll see you guys after the next video, and I possibly can do it. Thank you very much.